Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and today I will show you how you can switch on this smartphone. So we have to press and hold the power button. You can find it right here on the edge, on the right edge of the smartphone. So let's put it like that in the horizontal mode, and then click and hold this power button. Keep holding. And as you can see, when the Samsung logo pops, we can release that key and just be patient and wait until our smartphone turns on. Okay, and as you can see, after a few moments our smartphone is turned on and we are ready to use it. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!